Forget the myth that carrots are just for cartoon bunnies. These vibrant veggies are actually powerhouse allies in your quest for better health, packed with nutrients that could transform your well-being in ways you never imagined. But here's where it gets controversial. While carrots might not steal the spotlight in Esley's kitchen, nutrition specialists absolutely rave about them, not only for their impressive health perks, but also for their incredible flexibility that lets anyone sneak them into meals, no matter your tastes or dietary quirks. You might spot them in their classic orange hue, but they come in yellow, red, white, or even purple varieties too, a rainbow of options to keep things exciting. Take it from registered dietitian Caroline Thomason Bunn, RD, CDCES. I adore roasting them until they caramelize, bringing out that natural sweetness that's simply irresistible. To mix things up, she suggests grating them into fresh salads, pureeing them into hearty soups, munching them raw with a dip like hummus or tzatziki, or even baking them into muffins for a sneaky nutritional boost. Think hidden veggies in your favorite treat. So what's the real scoop on carrot nutrition, and how can it supercharge your health? Let's dive in. What makes carrots such a nutritional standout? Carrots deliver an array of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that bolster everything from your immune system to your heart, kidneys, and liver, as noted by experts at WebMD. Just a half-cup serving can propel you toward your daily nutrient targets, offering around 73% of your recommended vitamin A, 9% of vitamin K, 8% each of potassium and fiber, 5% of vitamin C, and 2% each of calcium and iron. As Bunn puts it, carrots are these compact orange dynamos of nutrition. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, to keep your eyes sharp, skin glowing, and immune defenses strong. Plus, they're rich in soluble fiber, promoting smooth digestion and helping maintain stable blood sugar levels. And this is the part most people miss. For beginners just starting to build healthier habits, beta-carotene is like nature's paintbrush for your body's defenses. It doesn't just support vision, but also acts as an antioxidant to fight off free radicals, potentially reducing inflammation that could lead to chronic issues. What about the so-called healthiest vegetable to eat daily? Carrots certainly rank high among foods with top-tier health benefits. Yet dietitians stress there's no universal winner when it comes to eating right. It's all about personalization. The best food in any group really hinges on factors like your personal circumstances, financial situation, cultural background, health objectives, and plenty more. Registered dietitian Miranda Galati shared with USA Today. It's fantastic to opt for nutrient-rich choices whenever you can, but going for something more processed or easy isn't necessarily wrong. As a dietitian focused on sustainable, healthy living, I'd urge you to let go of the notion that there's always an ultimate option for everything. For instance, imagine you're on a tight budget. Carrots are affordable and versatile, making them a practical choice, whereas pricier superfoods might not be feasible for everyone. But if you're exploring ways to enhance overall wellness, evidence-based strategies abound. The most robust studies indicate that boosting your health comes from a well-rounded eating plan featuring fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, paired with regular physical activity and smart lifestyle decisions. Added registered dietitian Jamie Nadeau. Focus on meals that balance protein and fiber. Eat mindfully by tuning into your hunger cues, and pay attention to when you're satisfied. To clarify for newcomers, mindful eating might mean pausing to enjoy your carrot sticks slowly, savoring each bite to recognize fullness rather than overeating, a simple habit that can prevent unnecessary calorie intake. Now, here's a controversial twist. Some might argue carrots are overhyped as a superfood, suggesting all veggies have their merits and no single one is a magic bullet. Others swear by their beta-carotene for eye health. But what if cultural preferences lead someone to skip them altogether? Is it fair to label carrots as essential, or should we celebrate dietary diversity instead? What do you think? Do you incorporate carrots into your meals, or do you have a different go-to veggie? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree that personalization trumps one-size-fits-all advice? Or is there a vegetable you believe deserves the top spot? Let's discuss.